What's going on there, YouTube? SoCal Gunner here, coming at you with an unboxing, first impression slash guessing of Iraq Veterans 8888 Mega Man Can. This will be December's Mega Man Can. Been getting these for about 2 years now. Usually December, if I'm not mistaken, is usually gift of gun. So we'll see what's inside and figure out and see what we get. I haven't even looked at the Iraq Veteran 8888 video that he posted already of what was in the box for December, but tactical pen looks like it dropped out. But check that out. A Voodoo tactical pen. Whoa. Oh, that'll hurt somebody. Crazy. Oh, man, that hurts. It's not too shabby. Let's check this out later. Well, more Voodoo tactical gear stuff. Now look at that. Electronic lighter. USB rechargeable. Neat. Whoa. Oh, look at that. Cool. Check that out. Oh, that's pretty cool. I know a perfect person that would love this. That is for sure. See? Gift of gun. This is definitely going to be something that I don't know you'll enjoy. Alright, next. Check it out. A handheld knife sharpener. Well, this looks more like a little honing rod on here. Diamond coated, looks like. This is pretty cool. It's nice to throw in a pack or whatever for field sharpening. What else we got? What else we got? Key bar. Stop the noise. Got a discount code in the back of that. But check that out. What do we have here? It's interesting. I see. Oh, look at that. In the shape of a cartridge with a 1/4-inch drive hex, so you can use this. I'm assuming it's something we'll be able to use for the range, or we got a Phillips in there and a Torx bit. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, a little pry bar. Oh, challenge coin. Nice. United States veteran with gratitude for your service and for your sacrifice and service. That's pretty nice, man. That's another challenge coin to add to the collection. We got a zipper bit. Whoa. Oh, that's pretty sweet right there. Look at that. That's cool. Replace the zipper with the bit. That is pretty awesome. That's a cool, interesting idea there. All the keychain, Phillips and flathead little screwdrivers there. That's cool. Alright. Oh man, this is heavy. Ooh, what could it be? I guess it's gonna be a knife of some sort. Let's open her up. Oh, gotta get my other IV8888 knife that I got in a previous Man Can. Let's pop her open. What we got? Ooh. Oh man. Wow, look at this. This looks gnarly. Holy moly. Wow. Jeez. Look at that blade design. Man, this is crazy. It looks like a little meat cleaver. Jeez, that is insane. Check that out. Another Bastion knife. D2 steel. Dang. Wow, that looks awesome. So smooth too. This isn't the only IV8888 knife I have. Give me 1 second. I have a bunch more. Especially a lot of the earlier ones, or even the heavier ones. Once you guys remember that one right there. That was the first EDC blade. Maybe the first or the second. I don't remember. But this one's also pretty cool. Heavy too. Just like this guy also was heavy as well. But had an interesting blade design also. Like a sheep's foot almost. Maybe a sheep's foot. I don't know. But this guy here. Wow, I think this might be my new favorite knife in my collection. Only thing, it is pretty big. It protrudes. It probably wouldn't be easy to carry, but man, that right there is awesome. Man, appreciate this from IV8888. Man, that is awesome right there. Well, till next time, folks. January coming up. Hope everybody's having a good Christmas and New Year's. And keep you guys posted for the next Man Can or Mega Man Up Can. So you guys have a good Christmas. Have a happy New Year. Stay safe out there. Till next time. SoCal Gunner out.